Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can add a border around a picture in Photoshop. So let's just jump straight into this. It's really easy to do and there are a lot of ways to do this. However, in my opinion, the easiest way to do this is simply using the rectangle tool. All you need to do is you're going to drag your mouse from the left top side of your picture to the right bottom side of your picture and simply let it go. Then you have this, then we're going here to the appearance tab. Fill need to be turned off, of course, and our stroke is going to be our border. You can choose any color you want, for example red. Now mine is red. All you need to do is change the thickness of the border to around 25, but of course based on how thick you want your border. And now you have a perfectly aligned border in Photoshop. If you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I hope I'll see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.